Yeah, what you guys have seen, well, I try to get on camera, is the Blue Angels, which is the military's best fighter pilots who do these crazy tricks, and they're training like right over my house for this air show. So that's all I've been hearing lately. These little planes just going, and it's Saturday, so I guess they gotta get their training on, but kind of crazy. That's all I've been hearing the last like half hour. Just planes after planes after planes are flying by. But I think it's really cool to come out and actually look at them doing their little stunts and stuff, because I'm going on Saturday to watch it, so it's gonna be awesome. Boom! Epic meal time. It's epic Subway time. It's about to get yummy and eat that great Subway. I see you people in there in the YouTube world. You want my delicious turkey Subway? You ain't getting that shit. Now tell me that wasn't brutal.
As I mentioned, we got 1% of the original turkey, 51. Radio control capabilities. We're still okay. The last report I heard, the Blue Angels are still planning on flying.
Here, check out the Blue Angels. I don't know if you can hear me, but
right at about 3 o'clock, with lots of entertainment
that's basically
to
what I'm
happen in the
doing right now,
meantime.
guys.
If you look
Check out this Airshow on these cool-ass military planes.
out here, and that is the Lockheed B-3 Orion that's stationed here in Jacksonville. They're going to take off, and
cool to see
they
a chopper like that.
we get them off the ground soon. We'll have the jumpers, the Black Daggers, Army Black Daggers parachute team that will be
Well, it is. Well, yeah, that's true. Because 60, supposedly 60 degrees. But I was. But I wasn't expecting it to be this cold as, like you said, it's the wind that's making it cold, not the cold itself. Well, it's only 61 degrees, but when you feel the cold, it makes you feel a hell of a lot colder.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
That's why I think everybody's just decided to leave early instead of stay. This sucks when you can't find your car. Seriously. Smart idea. Everybody's watching the Airshow from like this parking lot instead of going to the base. I guess they get to watch it from the comfort of their own car, in the heat of their car, instead of the cold. Like I was sitting on the cold. It was freaking cold. Oh my god. Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to say thanks for watching today's video of me at the Airshow, and this vlog was Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so it was a couple days in the making, but I mean, the weather today, gotta put it this way, it was pretty cold and chilly. That's the reason why I didn't stay and watch the actual Blue Angels perform and do what they do. Even though I really wanted to actually watch them perform and to see them, because that's the main reason why I went to this air show. But like I said, it got too cold and it was just super windy. So like I said, hopefully you guys liked what I got and captured some planes doing some really awesome, amazing tricks and stuff. I respect the military, and I respect anybody who serves in the military, and I think you guys should respect your military just as well. But with that said, rate, hate, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, keep on trolling, and add me at twitter.com/baseplayer101. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.